Okay, I know I'm late to the update, but we're gonna check it out. Okay, summer is here. For the monkeys, here's plenty of fun under the sun to be had. If it gets too hot, there are new ways to beat the heat. At the end of the day, you and your friends can make camp and do it all again tomorrow. The shop is stocked with new cosmetics to slide into summer in style. Stay cool and look cool with the new items available now. So first, of course, I'm going to look at caves, because who wouldn't? Yep, same thing. I didn't expect anything. Everybody's like, oh my god, it's going to be the caves update. Okay, 3, 2, 1. A milkshake. Strawberry. That's pretty. These are like those, like, straws. Oh, it's a gorilla tag. It's a gorilla tag popsicle. Oh, that's cool. A compass. Wait, lore. That's lore. That's pretty cool. Alright. These don't work. That'd be cool if they did. Bug spray. You keep the bugs off. The clothes. Cool fanny pack. Hat. Okay. Let's go check it out. Alright, let's see. We have these really cool glasses. A mustache. A hat. Another hat. And a little spinny thing. And yeah. Let me have this shirt. I like it. This was a fanny pack. A little camping thing. Another camping thing. Oh yeah, we looked at that. So that's all the cosmetics. Did this change? Whoa. Dang. That sucks, it's not daytime. Oh shoot, that's on. That scared me. Cooler. And a... Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's like a... Whee! That's cool. Not too much of a big update. But, yeah. Still pretty cool. Doug, did you change? Doug, come here. Did you get like a... No. But I got him. I wonder if he sprayed bug spray on him. Let's see in the beach map. The beach map has to have like a slide or something. Come on now. Oh, there's a slide. Why did I go in the water? No. Oh well. Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, and this is a pretty cool update. Tell me if I missed anything.